What was
They
that?
gonna all lie on me like that. They gonna all lie on me, and they think that that's not gonna like come back on them.
We just got through talking about that.
That's crazy.
She can't take off God, my chief.
You think you could talk to her, someone?
I mean, I could, but for what? Is she? I really think it's not just her. I think it's her. People putting a battery in her back. A couple of influences. I think it's a combination.
Couple people, son.
Yeah, and she's a scapegoat to do it through.
Right.
How do you live with yourself after that?
Can't.
It's gonna haunt her like Freddy Krueger.
We know that's about to be our footstool,
Right.
and they about to be looking crazy holding that weapon that couldn't do nothing.
Gotta get worse before it get better.
And it brought mad attention,
Definitely.
did. Crazy attention.
What's going on the press?
Everybody talking about every page.
We got 600 viewers
It's
in the room
600
right
in the
now.
room now on IG, and then before we even left with the police, there's people pulling. Before everybody left, they had apparently it's like news people pulling up, and then they're talking about you on all over Bigo,
YouTube,
Miko, YouTube, Sonetta, World News. You know,
Y'all need to get on there and talk for me, man.
Pushing
pushing
30
yeah.
Y'all need to get on there immediately
already.
and start getting help. Like, yo, like, it was waiting for.
Let's get it. You waiting on the word?
Whole time, like,
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Like, what are you talking?
Nah, we with it.
Yeah, say less on that. We about to
Yo, you see how I felt that shit when I jumped up and looked at the window?
Yeah.
We put it together. He was like, "Oh, that's what he was feeling."
Yeah, Keys. He's saying he's here. You already know.
Oh, like, it was waiting for.
Let's get it. You waiting on the word?
Whole time, like,
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Like, what are you talking?
Nah, we with it.
Yeah, say less on that. We about to
Yo, you see how I felt that shit when I jumped up and looked at the window?
Yeah.
We put it together. He was like, "Oh, that's what he was feeling."
Yeah, Keys. He's saying he's here. You already know. He here for you.
To do what? He gotta help me get out of here, man.
Exactly.
I need a lawyer. Is anybody talking lawyer talk?
Yep, we talked to a bunch of lawyers
We got
already.
lawyers on standby. We was just waiting on a confirmed charge before they could move forward.
Now we know which lawyer to move forward with and what to do.
Did y'all write the charges down?
We got a whole paper.
But this said I raped her, bro.
That's nuts. That's nutty.
You don't even play like that.
No, you don't play like that.
They do. They do.
Yeah, they definitely do, bro.
They definitely play like that.
Held you.
Shit just
Revenge porn? Come on, dude.
doing the most.
Revenge for what?
Does the public know about this? Does the public know that other charges?
We can
I'm
pull up
hearing
the
it now.
paperwork. We got the paperwork right here.
And he had that.
And then we got
that
screenshots.
screenshot right there. That's
So y'all need to get on Bigo. Y'all need to get on all platforms and start letting people know.
That's a 3.
So they hitting your phones or what?
Yeah, a
Yeah,
couple
they
of
hit me
people
up.
hit me directly
Same here.
on Instagram and also straight to my phone.
And the Google Voice is blowing up right now too.
so we're hitting certain main areas, and you can make it go digital.
Man,
Let them know I'm locked up.
now we turn it
Let
up.
everybody know I'm falsely accused.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Like,
Yo,
shit crazy. I can't, this is so surreal. So surreal.
this is crazy.
It's all good, man. It's an accusation. Get a lawyer. We good. I just need to get the bail. Because they might try to hit me with he's a flight risk.
No, we got
All
you.
this shit.
We got you.
Oh yeah, we're gonna take care of that.
Already.
We about to get a lawyer in line. We got people who are trying to support. We're gonna utilize all that, and then we got the media and all these platforms. You know they want to talk, so we're gonna make sure the proper narrative is going out, the
Put
truth.
me on Bigo real quick, man, so I can talk to people.
Push it 3.
Bigo
Push
too.
3.
I don't got it on my phone. Who got it?
I
It's the login is through Chief's phone number.
It is.
He said Malia. Right?
Yes, Bobby.
Yeah, come closer.
He said I love you.
I love you, Bobby.
I miss all of y'all, I miss you.
You couldn't. It's hard to even leave.
Yeah.
Scales and Elway said they miss you too. They love you.
Man, they better help me.
Right.
They is. I already know they are.
Yeah.
You're gonna be good through. You about to be out of there real soon.
No,
You
we
ain't
got
about
you.
to.
We gonna
It's
do
about to be
everything.
like a flash.
We got it.
But expect the worst
We
because they
can't do
playing,
that.
you know what I'm saying?
I'm knowing.
Tell him this way.
Nah.
Nah, you
getting
good.
out,
You good.
man. You
You
getting
good. I ain't even about to.
That shit not about to stick. Cause we can expect it.
What she doing is some conniving shit.
Yeah.
It's gotta
Wow.
come. It gonna come back on her. It ain't gonna fall down on us.
Right.
No, it doesn't even. It's not even mathematically aligned for anything bad to happen to us.
Cause you didn't do anything.
Bro, no weapon form, never.
This is
never.
just another way to show us how powerful we are and how we can continue to get over
The
obstacles.
thing is like, this shit, she fell. The system gotta lock me up. They gotta investigate.
Yeah.
But will it be foul play in the investigation? How? In the fact, you know what they were saying to me? The officer was like, "Well, you're this mean, aggressive guy." I was like, "There's probable cause, so we have to."
You got Nature Boys
I'm like,
TV?
okay.
Because the BO is linked to his phone number. And we don't
I
have either one of
told
his
him, I was
phones.
like, "Look, bro, I'm a man." You know what I'm saying? I'm like, he was like, when did she leave? I said, I woke up and she was gone.
Right.
I said, listen, my life is a public life. Anybody can come into my life and I love them. People are in and out. I got revolving doors. People are in and out of my life. So, at the end of the day, it is what it is. But guess what? Look how they do God.
Crazy.
Look how they do God. That's crazy.
Voice behind you.
He's gonna
very
join the
strong.
Let's go to Bigo.
Here.
Pass him the phone.
Make sure y'all get on Bigo so I can talk to Keith.
Yep. He sent me the room invite now. Everybody in there.
Yeah, we about to join up right now, my chief.
Oh, okay, we're gonna just. Okay, I get what you're saying.
Yeah. Give us about 30 seconds. We about to be up in here.
Oh, I got about 2,000 in here already.
Click join.
Just for
Y'all better
entertainment,
write me letters.
like hyping it up.
You ain't gonna be
You
in
ain't
there
gonna be there that
enough
long,
to write no
yeah.
letter.
People carry.
Nah, you good. You coming.
We gotta keep that mentality up.
It fucks with
You,
people carry.
it sound like you sound like you think you gonna be in there for a while. We ain't on that type of time.
We getting bail money tomorrow.
You ain't gonna be in there long enough.
Nah, we
to
got the
write
bill
a letter.
money. We posted tomorrow.
Bond getting posted tomorrow.
Come on.
on.
And that shit today is up.
Wait,
Yeah.
hold on. Is they here?
Turn it down. We up in
Oh,
Bigo
we
too
on
now.
Bigo now.
We on Bigo and Instagram.
Oh
Yo,
shit,
Keith.
they up in here.
Hey, what?
What's up, Nature Boy?
Keys in here?
Yo, hey, yo, listen.
Can you hear
I'm calling
me?
y'all. I'm calling y'all from jail. I'm
Flip
in
the camera.
DeKalb County. I've been accused of rape. I've been planetary. I've been accused of false imprisonment, meaning I held her against her will, and I'm being accused of motherfucking revenge porn.